dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Reality Latest, just your home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us. On today's wonderful news, the headlines: the Edo State Governor Ondo Okpebholo has abolished the new traditional council that was created by his predecessor Godwin Obaseki in Edo South Senatorial District. Moving on after this, we have the national chairman of the All Progressive Congress, Dr. Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, has declared that the presidency or any party machinery neither interfere with nor influence the outcome of the last Saturday Ondo governorship election, which their candidate, Governor Lucky Aiyedatiwa, won. But guys, before our comments fully, I would like to welcome those that are joining us on today's wonderful news for the first time. You guys are highly welcome. Kindly proceed to subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video. To all our returning subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's proceed. The governor of Edo State, Ondo Okpebholo, has abolished the new traditional council that was created by his predecessor, Governor Godwin Obaseki, in Edo South Senatorial District. However, there was a report that Ondo Okpebholo also restored the statutory financial entitlement of the Benin Traditional Council, and he has ordered that the statu quo before the creation of the now abolished council should be maintained. Fred Itua, the chief press secretary to the governor, made this known in a statement he issued on Sunday in Benin City. Itua added that Governor Ondo Okpebholo also complied with the federal government's directive by restoring the full statutory rights of the Oba of Benin on the ownership of ancient artifacts looted by the British colonial forces during the 1897 Benin massacre. So the statement said the decision were in line with the governor's move to further right the wrongs of the immediate past administration and foster cordial relationship between the government and the people of Edo State. So right now, the state government has also withdrew the letter revoking the concession of the Oba Akinzua 2 Cultural Center that was issued by the last administration. So now, according to the statement that was issued by Fred Itua, the press secretary to the governor, Ondo Okpebholo administration is restoring the center to a suitable condition for its original purpose. So part of the statement which reads, his administration is hereby abolishing the new tradition council in Edo South created by the last administration. So Senator Ondo Okpebholo has restored the statutory financial entitlements of the Benin Traditional Council, and he has ordered that the statu quo before the creation of the now abolished council should be maintained. So wetin people come dey talk now say Ondo Okpebholo's administration is backing the initial plan of the state government to build the Benin Royal Museum that will house the returned artifacts, and they will not distance it from the Museum of West Africa Art, which the previous administration fronted. So the federal government now has issued a gazette for the recognition of ownership and custody of the repatriated Benin artifact to Oba of Benin, Oba Iwereatu. This was done through government notice number 25 in the Federal Republic of Nigeria official gazette number 57 volume 110. So right now, my people, a lot of people they hear Ondo Okpebholo say in get respect. In they respect the rights and privilege of the traditional ruler of Benin Kingdom, Omonoba Nido Okpebholo, Oba Iwereatu, and he has pledged the support of his administration to ensure the monarch plays his role as the custodian of the rich cultural heritage of the Benin people. So it is in recognition of this that the administration of Senator Ondo Okpebholo will support the decision of the federal government to uphold the Oba of Benin as the exclusive owner of the returned Benin artifacts that were looted by the British colonial forces during the Benin massacre of 1897. So the Oba of Benin, as the father of all Benin people, is the sole custodian of the custom and tradition of the Benin people, and his administration respects custom and tradition in the land. So right now, Ondo Okpebholo hereby restores the statutory right of the Oba of Benin as the true custodian of the return Benin artifacts. Ondo Okpebholo also said that his administration is committed and will refrain from interfering in the internal affairs of the Benin Traditional Council. So he's using his constitutional power and respect for tradition, institution, and the Reverend of Benin to restore all other statutory rights of the monarchy, not mention in what he just said today. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in our comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. The National Chairman of the All Progressive Congress, Dr. Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, has declared that the presidency or any party machinery neither interfere with nor influence the outcome of last Saturday Ondo governorship election, which their candidate, Governor Lucky Aiyedatiwa, won. So Ganduje stated this when the governor-elect and his deputy, Dr. Olayinde Adelami, paid a thank you visit to the APC National Secretariat in Abuja shortly after they collected their certificate of return from the Independent National Electoral Commission. So the APC National Chairman said the party's candidate victory was based on the popular vote by the Ondo people who have always supported the party through thick and thin. So he attributed Aiyedatiwa's victory to the unity of purpose and harmonious relationship among all the party chieftains in the state and the resolve of the Ondo people to always keep faith with the APC. So he said there is no underground support from any quarters, no external influence from the government, the presidency, or any other external forces. That the election is not the effort of the elite alone. It is not the effort of the middle class alone. It is not the effort of the grassroots. That this is the effort of all the people in Ondo State. So this is the most issue that was embraced by all. In talk say, Ondo people enjoyed the support of Aiyedatiwa and they also enjoyed the support of the electorate in Ondo State. So they have to congratulate Aiyedatiwa on the landslide victory because they know say Ondo people are progressive. So they will cooperate with them. Earlier in Aiyedatiwa's remark, Aiyedatiwa linked APC victories in Ondo and Edo State to Ganduje's political acumen, strategy planning, and mobilization. So he expressed gratitude to the party and Ondo people for their overwhelming support of him at the poll, and he hoped that APC would sweep the neighboring state of Osun and Oyo in future election, because he knows say they could still win for those states. He said he cannot but come here to appreciate the platform that allowed him to run the race. It is not a case of being disrespectful not to present his certificate of return to them, but to wait for the return of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to do so, because the people of Ondo State knew who they wanted and they voted for integrity, continuity, and exemplary leadership, which they represent with the Renew Hope agenda of Mr. President. That was what happened when they attend a feast never achieved before. So they won in every local government in the state. With the election, the Ondo people spoke clearly and loudly that they voted for APC, which he represented. So they served within the last 10 months and the people have seen the way to go. They made promises. With the massive votes the people gave them, they have burdened them to do more than they did in the last 10 years. So after they end their service, the APC will take over from them again to ensure the name of their party will be intact. Hey, my people, don't be small while out. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in our comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, come on next. Bye for now.